Okay, looking at derivative of ln x, or our natural log, remembering that that is log of base e that we're talking about when we're saying ln. So it's a L, not an I, like some students have read it. Y equals ln x, our derivative of that is 1 on x. So this is a bit of a new concept for us in terms of derivatives. If we have a function in our ln, and this is a linear function here, it's effectively taking the derivative and putting it on the front, because the derivative of ax would be a, the derivative of b is 0. So we're putting a on the top, and then the function goes on the bottom. So basically, if you have ln of a function, you're putting the derivative of the function on the top of the fraction and the function on the bottom. So we'll start off with some easier ones, and then we'll move into some more complicated ones. So we've got 2 ln x. Now we know that ln x, the derivative of that is just 1 on x. So we've got 2 lots of 1 on x, which is just 2 on x. When we've got ln of 5x, that answer is just 1 on x. Now, if you're unsure how that works, if we used the process that we used up here with the ax plus b, what we would do is write ln of, and then we will put the 5 on the top, and on the bottom would go 5x, because that's our original function. Sorry, I shouldn't have put the ln there. 5 over 5 on x. So then when we simplify that, 5 over 5x is just 1 on x. So that works for any function where you have a number of x. It's always going to simplify to 1 on x. So you can go straight to that answer. Here we've got ln of 6x minus 1. So obviously a little bit different from just the 5x. We can't go straight to the 1 on x. What we'll have to do is write our 6 will go on the top, and on the bottom will be 6x minus 1. And because there's that minus 1 there, we can't simplify that any further. Then we've got ln of x cubed. Now we're using our rule that we have the f dash x on the top and f of x on the bottom. So our derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, and we're going to put that over x cubed. Now in this case we can do some simplifying. So we've got x squared and x cubed. We can divide both of those by x squared, and we're left with 3 over x as our answer.